Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Discord no route error step by step, so you can join voice channels without connection problems in 2026. First, check your internet connection. The no route error is usually network related. Restart your router and modem, and if possible, switch to a wired Ethernet connection for better stability. Unstable Wi-Fi is one of the most common causes. Next, disable any VPN or proxy you're using. Discord voice servers can fail to connect through certain VPN routes. Turn off the VPN temporarily and try joining the voice channel again. Many users fix the issue instantly with this step. Now, check your firewall and antivirus settings. Make sure Discord is allowed through Windows Firewall and any third-party security software. Blocking Discord's UDP traffic can trigger the no route error. Another important fix is resetting your IP configuration. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run these commands one by one. ipconfig/flush DNS, ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew, then restart your PC. This refreshes your network connection. You should also change the voice server region. Open the voice channel settings and select a region closer to your location. This often reduces routing issues. Finally, disable quality of service. High packet priority in Discord, voice and video settings, and test again. If this guide helped you fix the no route error, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Discord troubleshooting tutorials in 2026. See you in the next one.